Hi, I'm Kenny and I'm lead design at Mechanix Wear. I want to talk about the tactical versions of our M-Pact gloves just for a second. Carrying on the tradition of our retail versions of the M-Pact gloves, our automotive or our high energy sector M-Pact gloves. The gloves that are made for tactical, for law enforcement, for security, feature colorization, features materials, and features specific details that are catered towards its environment and its use. Sublimated, track dry material, very high performance material, wicks and pulls perspiration away from your body, spreads it out over the material, and lets the air dry it. The palm side of the material, as with all Mechanix Wear gloves, 100% touchscreen capable for the life of the glove. It has the same amount of capability from the time you buy the glove until the time you find the glove no longer useful. It's embellished with armor text on the palm side of the glove to add grip, to add another layer of protection. Very highly rated in abrasion resistance, very highly rated in cut, puncture, and tear. We also use D3O on the palm side of this glove. We removed the sight holes so that it's I guess less visible when you're out in the field, and obviously visibility is a key thing when you're dealing with covert or with camouflage gloves. But we do feature the D3O on the palm side of the glove. That D3O sucks up the energy of an impact, whether it's a recoil or a swinging impact, and it sucks in that energy and gets rid of it. It doesn't transmit it to your body, doesn't transmit it in the sense of adding fatigue or stress to your body. So the D3O on the palm side of the glove, as used in the tactical impact in all our impact gloves, is a very, very useful feature.
This is your favorite pair of golf gloves built into a tactical glove. On the backhand, a 4-way stretch fabric so it doesn't get snagged on Velcro. The thumb crotch, U-shaped, redesigned so that it really fits that weapon well, and it'll handle that recoil accordingly. The palm, cut for articulation, for superior grip, washable and touchscreen friendly. The cuff, cut lower for articulation. The closure, Velcro for extra security, and on the backhand, an extra deep cutout to fit that oversized tactical watch.
FREETOO Knuckle Tactical Gloves for Men. Military gloves for shooting airsoft paintball, motorcycle climbing, and heavy-duty work. Full protection to your hand. You are offered protection against cuts, burns, scrapes, and even injuries due to vibrations with the FREETOO tactical gloves, which are equipped with the composite PVC padded knuckle and thermal plastic rubber finger panels, more durable and better grip. This military gloves tactical is sewed with double-layer sewing process and imported leather. Make sure your glove works 2 times longer than other gloves. The microfiber leather on the palm increase more friction for better grip during climbing, motorcycling workout. This gloves works well for men, women, and kids. Please check on the picture to choose the best size for your hand. If you have any sizing or product issues with this tactical rubber gloves, contact us and a new replacement or refund